Hello friends, let's practice our letter song. A for apple, a, a, a. B for balloon, b, b, b. C for caterpillar, k, k, k. D for dog, d, d, d. E for egg, e, e, e. F for fish, f, f, f. G for guitar, g, g, g. H for hat, h, h, h. I for igloo, I, I, I. J for jar, j, j, j. K for key, k, k, k. L for lamb, ooh, ooh, ooh. M for monkey, mm, mm, mm. N for nest, mm, mm, mm. O for octopus, ah, ah, ah. P for pencil, p, p, p. Q for queen, qu, qu, qu. R for ring, r, r, r. S for snake, s, s, s. T for turtle, t, t, t. U for umbrella, V for vacuum, v, v, v. W for wagon, w, w, w. X for box, x, x, x. Y for yo-yo, ya, ya, ya. Z for zipper, z, z, z. Letters and sounds are all you need. Put them together and you can read.